Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gift cards for EA. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, simply type in and search for EA gift cards. Once you start your search, you will find the EA help link, which will show you some instructions on how you can buy the cards. Just open up this link and you will find the sources from which you can buy your EA gift cards. You can also use gift card websites or stores such as Target and GameStop to search for your Electronic Arts gift card. From the search results, just click on the gift card that you're interested in, and once you find the gift card that you're interested in, you can just choose the amount that you want to load and then click on the Add to Cart button. And now you can process with making your payment for your product using your PayPal or your other payment methods. Once you proceed with checking out with your payment, you will receive your EA gift card within your email if it is a digital one, and physically within your mail in a few days if it is a physical one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a gift card from EA. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.